The Little Chef's Surprise Recipe for Courage and Deliciousness. In a comfortable environment, there was a girl named Hawwa who loved cooking. She wanted to make something special for her family and friends. Putting on her apron, she embarks on a cooking adventure, gathering ingredients and spices. Hawwa didn't know exactly what she wanted to do, but she wanted to make something extraordinary. She felt a little nervous, but knew she had to be brave. He took a deep breath and started cooking. Every step, Hawwa adds her own style with love. He chops, stirs, and seasons the food, making sure everything has just the right flavor. As the delicious aroma of food fills the kitchen, her beloved family came to see what she was doing. They watched in amazement as Hawwa cooked with confidence and strong determination. Finally, it was time to open the surprise dish. Hawwa served her cooking to her family and friends. They tasted it and couldn't help but smile. They loved it. Hawwa's dish was a success, and everyone praised her cooking skills. But it's not just about food. Hawwa shows everyone that with courage and passion, they too can do extraordinary things. Her family and friends felt inspired to be creative and face challenges with determination. Since that day, Hawwa has continued to cook with passion. He surprises his loved ones with new dishes, always bringing happiness to their mealtimes. He never stops learning and trying new things because he knows that true happiness is in sharing delicious food with others. And so, the story of the little chef, Hawwa, reminds everyone to follow their passion, believe in themselves, and dare to pursue their dreams.